guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it's one that I've not had in a little while, and it's Birchbox. Now, I have previously slagged off Birchbox a lot because the samples are generally really small. However, it was my birthday recently and I got a little bit of money from my mum, so I thought I would treat myself to one. Because the box this month has Frozen things on it and the girls love Frozen because it's coming out next week. And 2, because you got a full-size Pixie Glow Mist with it. And 3, because Lucy, who does my eyelashes and my eyebrows, said she got it and she really liked it. So I thought, you know what? I'll give them another go. So I signed up and I've got this one and I'll get next month's one and I'll see what they're like. And then if I don't like it, I'll just cancel again. But I thought, you know what, I'm going to do it. So it came today, like this. It's in a big box because of the free Pixie Glow Mist thing. Birchbox costs, where is my little dinosaur tooth? It's £10 a month. I don't know. And then £2.95 postage and packaging. And yeah, this month, if you sign up, you get a full-size Pixie Glow Mist, which you will see in a minute. I do have a code that everyone gets when they sign up, and you can get your first box for £5 off. I'll link that down below for you guys. But yeah, this is it. It's a ginormous box for a very small amount of stuff. So the Pixie Glow Mist, I was a bit worried because I didn't know what it smelled like. Maybe it doesn't smell like rose. Probably will now, my luck. But this is worth £16, so I just thought it was worth it purely to get this, even if the rest of the box is crap. So I wanted to get it. I haven't ever had anything by Pixie other than blushes, but I wanted to see what this was like. So it's a glow mist, and it says, before makeup hydrates, protects and nourishes, after makeup sets and adds a dewy finish, or anytime refreshes makeup and hydrates. Close eyes and mist over skin and face. So let's have a little go. Let's just spray it into the lid first to make sure it doesn't smell of rose. Oh, it does a little bit. Has it got rose in it? I don't know, but I'm putting it all over my face. Oh, it's a nice mist. It's a lovely mister. So yeah, that was my freebie. You can get that at the moment. That's still running at the moment. Well, it says it is on their website anyway. And we're 2.5 minutes in and I'm still chuntering shit. So yeah, this is the box. It normally just comes like this. But because of that extra thing, it had to come in a giant box. I can't undo it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. The girls are gonna love this. So it's Frozen. It's a really pretty box. Super pretty. Let's just have a little look. So it comes out on my anniversary, Frozen 2, the 22nd of November. This November we're delighted to have teamed up with Disney to celebrate the release that we've all been waiting for, Frozen 2. I haven't seen Frozen 1. Just like Birchbox, the film celebrates adventurousness, strong women, the importance of friendship. So there's 5 beauty things inside. The sneak peek for December is an eyeshadow palette. There is Forgive Me. I don't know what that says. Forgive Me something. Forgive Me Sugar. Surgy. Not sure. Here. Forgive Me something, but I don't know what it says. You get to pick which one you want. I've got a bit stuck in my finger. So let's just have a look and see what we've got inside. So first thing is a lip pencil, and it is a Bodyography. Get off my finger. And it is Heatherberry lip pencil. It looks like a really lovely colour. It's a really nice colour. It's a really nice kind of nude, mauvey nude. This is full size and it's £11. It's got creamy coconut oil and vitamin E, so it glides on just like a lipstick. And it's cruelty free, paraben free and sulfate free. So that's nice. Next up we've got a Balance Me 100% natural congested skin serum. Ooh. Our on-the-spot soothing gel was created to gently calm inflammation and speed away blemishes without causing dryness or irritation. Apply to blemish areas or over areas that are prone to breakouts. So this is obviously a little teeny sample. But full size one of these is £16. It says even the most diligent skincare routine can't always help prevent a breakout. Whether it's one pimple or a blemish battlefield, this soothing serum balances the skin and refines pores. It was shortlisted for Best Skincare Solution in the Birchbox Beauty Awards 2019. So I am, touch wood, not particularly prone to breakouts, so I will put this in a giveaway. Next up, we've got a mask, and it is a Incredible, which I think is an umbrella of Nails Ink. Is it? Yeah, Nails Ink. And it's a unicorn mask. Full size, £5. This sheet mask infuses mulberry, lemon and green tea to brighten, lift dead skin, tighten pores and plump. Green tea is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from environmental damage. So that is awesome. I can't wait to be a unicorn tonight. I need it because I've been awake since 3 AM. Next up, a blow dry lotion. Ooh, number 4. Full size one of these is £26. This is just a little diddy one. It says you don't need to see a stylist to perfect a glossy blow dry. Part thermal protector and part leave-in treatment. This lotion helps your hair dry up to 50% faster and is packed with natural botanicals to keep the strands healthy and smooth. Rub a small amount between your palms and distribute evenly through the hair. Number 4 is all about lab-tested formulas and sleek packaging that you'll happily display in your shower. So that's worth a try. How does it make your hair dry faster? Anybody knows? Let me know, because I don't understand that. And lastly, we have got a lipstick, and it is a Lise Watier Rouge Gourmand in Gingerbread. Oh, that sounds nice. This is I think this is like a deluxe sample kind of thing. It's just a little mini lipstick. Full size one is £23. Oh, it's an okay colour. It's not, it looks quite like orangey on there, but it's quite pale on my hand. Where's my mirror? It's there, right in front of me. It's going on nice, and it smells nice. But gingerbread, I kind of wanted it to be like a bit more orangey, but it's nice. It's got a nice shine to it. My lips are so chapped. Yeah, that was all good. If I didn't have the free pixie thing, I don't think I'd be that impressed, but with the pixie thing, I think it's awesome. So I'll link it down below for you guys, along with all of the products inside. If I can find links for them full size, I will do. I'm excited to be a unicorn. I'll be doing that over on my Instagram stories at some point this evening, I imagine, with an amaretto sour, because I feel like I need one today. So yeah. Oh, I've just realised, look, I thought it was like leaves and stuff, but that's Olaf. I know that's Olaf. The girls love him. Yeah, the little silver bits are Olaf as well. So they're going to probably steal this off me when I go downstairs. But yeah, that was Birchbox for November 2019. Let me know how that thing gets your hair dry quicker, because I'm intrigued. And yeah, I will see you soon. Thank you for watching. Smell you later. Bye guys.